And welcome back. And we get on track with the news that two-time Olympic sprint double champion Thompson Herah and reigning world 100-meter champion Seville headline a strong 32-member Jamaican team to the World Relays set for next month in Botswana. More in this report. The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3As, have announced the formidable men's and women's squads for the World Athletics Relays set for next month. The men's sprint relay squad will be led by World 100-meter champion Seville, 2024 Olympic and World Championship silver medalist Thompson, World Indoor 60-meter bronze medalist Akeem Blake, and 2023 World Championship sprint relay bronze medalist Rohan Watson and Raheem Ford. On the women's side, the sprint relay squad features the likes of five-time Olympic gold medalist Thompson Herah, two-time world 200-meter champion Sharika Jackson, Tokyo 2021 Olympic 4x100-meter gold medalist Brianna Williams and Natasha Morrison, as well as Tokyo World Championship relay silver medalist Tia Clayton and Janelle Smith. The men's mile relay pool is headlined by 2023 World Championship 400-meter champion Antonia Watson, while two-time World Championship 400-meter hurdles bronze medalist Rochelle Clayton, alongside 2025 Tokyo relay silver medalist Antoinette Knight and Budapest silver medalist Cheyenne Salmon are among the women's mile relay pool. The World Relays is set for May 2 to 3 in Gaborone, Botswana.